Hi everyone, it's Kathie Ryan here in Bundaberg, Queensland, and you see before you a 12 by 16 inch or 30 by 40 centimetre canvas, to which I put a little bit of black paint around there, and I am about to put some white smack dab in the high diddle diddle. Right. And that is my bottle bottom, which I have issues pronouncing. Now this painting that I want to do is a lightning sort of effect, and it was inspired from Erica Art. I was watching her on YouTube and I thought, wow, this is really nice, so I'm going to try and sort of do what Erica does. Erica's over in Slovenia. So hi to everyone in Slovenia. Hello Erica. I'm going to pour 2 cups. The colours that I'm using, this blue I'm about to take out, I made myself, and it's more like a midnight blue, sort of. And I'm just taking the spoons out here. There's no silicone in any colour. So the colours are this midnight blue I made, purple, silver, gold, red and yellow. Oops, get that one out too. Okay. I don't know if you can see my cups, can you? If you can see my cups, yes. Alright, so I only have to hold it here so you can see what I'm doing. So I'm going to put in the blue. I'm going to put using 2 cups, and they're going to be poured in the same order, with as close as I can get to the same amounts. That's 1 cup. Birds and dogs. I think I need a bit more blue. Stop screeching! Hey! Oh, goodness. And get in there. Right, so I'll just move these out of my way. Since the last painting I knocked a whole cup over. Well, I didn't knock it over, it slipped out of my hand and made a terrible mess. Alright. So now I'm going to start pouring. Now the idea here, you've got the little grooves in your bottle bottom, and give it like that. I might have to move it when I turn it, but I want the paint just to go down that one little groove like that. Some little patterns. I think that's just about all of that paint. And now I shall turn it around carefully. And I have to do that just to get that one, you know, as that one was. And here we go with this side. through. And I think that's about it. Yeah. Did she get some? Yes, she did. Okay, so have a nice little pattern there. Now I will just take him off. Thank you for your help. And then I will just stretch this paint a little bit. The white's moving around a bit too much for me. So now I want my stick, excuse me, over the other side of the table, and I'm going to get a cloth. That's not moving out as much as I would like, so I'm going to use a knife. It's better. Oops. Really would have liked the white to have gone through more, but it is what it is. Right, and I'll just wipe my hands off now that I've done that. So the next step now is to put the canvas. Mine doesn't appear to be quite as good as Erica's. It's coming along quite nicely. A bit more over this edge. There we have it, and it does look like a lightning strike, doesn't it? Yep. air bubbles, so I'm going to put the torch on it. I don't know about that bit. Maybe I could get rid of it. Let me tilt it. See if I can get that off. Gone. And then I have my painting. And I really am impressed. Thank you very much, Erica, for sharing. This really is very pretty. I'm just making sure I've got enough over the edges, which I do. And that everybody has some paint. I think they do. Okay, I really like this. Alright, so I'm going to wipe my hands off yet again and then give it a little torch to get rid of those air bubbles. There were quite a few of them. So the recipes for the paints and the pouring medium are down below. Show more under this video, along with the link to my Facebook group, which is Australia Art Dreaming. You're more than welcome to come across there and join us. There is no silicone in this painting at all. If you haven't already subscribed, please do. Click the little bell and you'll be notified then as I put up videos into YouTube. And I really like this one. My blue that I made came up very nice. And there's the start of my lightning. I might do another one of these, and instead of having the white, use gold. That would look good. Alright, well, thank you very much for watching. I do hope you've enjoyed. And, let's have a look here. Oh yes, how pretty is that? Alright, so as I was saying, I hope you've enjoyed. Please give this one a thumbs up. And thank you, Erica, again for sharing. Bye for now.